I'm picking up my truck now. Ito na yung susi. Ayan na yung truck natin. Ano pang sira din? Check muna natin bago natin pandarin. Check natin, make sure kinabit nila lahat yung parts. Yeah, it looks good.